Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're setting up this scrolling announcement bar for your store. And honestly, it's such a small addition that makes a massive difference. It keeps your customers informed about things like free shipping, discounts, or new launches right at the very top of your page before they've even scrolled an inch. Let's get straight into it. Go to your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. Now search here for Section Kit and hit enter. Here you'll find this app. Go ahead and install it. The process is just like installing any other app. Nothing complicated at all. After the installation, go to your store admin, click on Apps, and search for Section Kit. Then open it. Now click on Explore Sections, and just wait a little bit. My internet is a bit slow today. Now type Announcement in the search bar, and choose this section. Click on More Info and purchase it. I already have this section, so I'll just go to My Sections and search for Announcement Bar. Then click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and it'll get installed into your theme right away. Now click on Open it in Customizer, and give it a moment, it'll take you straight to the theme editor. Now click on Add Section, type Announcement, and select the section we just added. Let's scroll down and customize this together. First, let's change its background color into green, text color into white. Scroll down a bit more and you can change the font size, padding, or literally anything else you'd like. Now, I'm honestly not a fan of these default icons. They look a bit cheap to me, so I'll swap them out for this premium icon instead. You can use any icon you prefer here. There's a good variety to choose from. And that's really all it takes to set up a fully customized announcement bar for your store. If this helped you out, drop a comment below and let me know what section you'd like me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.